Hi, today I wanted to talk about a little thing I ran into when I was trying to connect a repeater, a list feature in Wix to the blog posts. So here I've added a repeater. You can add repeaters over here on the plus side and then choose list, and then you'll see repeaters, and you can pick any existing ones or create a blank repeater as well. Once you have it in here, then you want to add a data set. So to do that, you want to, let me delete that. You want to come over here to CMS, choose add content elements here, and then add a data set. Now, this we're going to connect basically so that we can connect this repeater to this database set. So we have to first create this. I'm going to click on settings here. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to connect a blog to a repeater. Well, my blog posts are not showing up here. And I could not figure it out. I'm like, why? What is this? This was coming from an old store they're not even using, and the forms, but there was no blog posts showing up. It should just say posts as one of these things. I clicked on create a collection. That took me to kind of a manual creation of a collection, which is not what I want. I want to display the blog post feed basically here. So to do that, it's the reason it's not showing up is because it's within the CMS settings. So to get to that, I usually click here and then click on your collections and then click up here on manage. There's other ways you could get to this by going into your dashboard and going into the CMS, but this is how I get into it. Then once you're here, you want to go to more actions and go to advanced settings. Now here's the missing component. This is why my posts weren't showing up. And I'm like, I've done this before. It wasn't that hard. Well, it's because this was unchecked by default for some reason. So I need to turn that back on or just turn it on and now close, and I can close out of this. And lo and behold, now when I choose my data set, which is part of the directions on connecting a repeater to the blog, my posts, all these other app collections will show up. So now I can choose posts, and then I can connect things such as the trumpet. I can connect that to the title. So we'll go here. Let's see. I need to click on this little icon here. And now I want to choose the post data set. And then the connections, we can connect this to the title. I can connect the picture to the picture in the blog post. So all of those sort of things I can do here. So, but if you're ever missing those posts in that collection that you're selecting here, that's where they are. So whoops, that's not what I want to do. I want to click on settings. But yeah, post was not showing up here in this connected collection area. So this was the workaround. You want to go into that CMS area and go to your advanced settings, which again, the way I get around to that is come here to manage and then go to advanced settings here. And that shows this to turn this on if you're not seeing your posts. So that's it. Happy Wixing, and I'm going to finish doing this repeater now that I've figured this out. Thanks to the Wix online Facebook forum, a guy, Ahmed, helped me out and mentioned that setting, and that solved the problem. So I wanted to share it with you all in case you're looking for the same thing. Happy Wixing.